I am a small business owner and I've always wanted one of these thermal printers, so thank you so much to the company for gifting this to me so I can try it out and tell you how it really works. The thermal printer itself is really easy to set up. It just comes with a few cords. The cool thing about this printer is you can use it with a Bluetooth. It has an app that you just download on your phone, and then you can print and create your own labels right from your phone. Or they also give you a USB cord which you can hook it into your computer. The thing I really love about the versatility of this thermal printer is you can use it for so many different types of labels. If you're shipping out products, you can use the 4x6 shipping labels and create the labels you need to make to ship out your packages, or you can create custom labels for your small business as well. I like to create custom labels for every holiday and season, and I add them to my small business packaging. Another option for these thermal labels is to create stickers. So you can create different kinds of stickers if you need them for party favor bags. There's just so many different options. Let's create some labels and I'm going to show you how really easy it is. The printer itself is really easy to set up. They give you the power cord that you need. So all you have to do is plug the power cord in here, turn on the power button. To install the labels, all you have to do is open up the cover. Here is the switch here. Then depending on your label size, you're going to want to adjust these guides and then put in your labels. The one thing that I really like about the manual that they provide is they give you all the QR codes to download the app. So it's really easy to scan the QR codes in the booklet so you can get the machine set up really easily. I can easily change out the labels, put in a different style, and print all over again. If you are looking for a thermal printer, I love this thermal printer because it's really easy to set up, and the best thing is it has a really affordable price point.